Hello beautiful people, I'm here with a very different type of video. Today I'll be showing you all how you can eat taco chickpeas 3 different ways. Okay, so first what you want to do is grab yourself either 1 can, 15 ounces of chickpeas, or 2 cans. In this case, I'm using 1 can of the 28-ounce size, I believe. And that's almost equivalent to using 2 15-ounce cans. So I open the chickpeas, rinse them off, strain off the water. You definitely want to rinse them off real good and then strain them and get ready to add them to the pan. So I just take a pan and I coat it with a little bit of grapeseed oil. You can actually use any oil that you want. I just prefer to use very high heat oils such as grapeseed and avocado oil. So you just pour the chickpeas in the pan. You add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and just sprinkle that all over the chickpeas. And then I add 2 tablespoons of coconut aminos. Coconut aminos is basically a gluten-free and soy-free alternative to using soy sauce. It doesn't really taste much like coconuts, so you don't really have to worry about that. I will say this, it's not as salty as soy sauce, so that's a plus. If you're using soy sauce, I would suggest that you use 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of water just to dilute the saltiness. So you just want to stir the chickpeas around and really try to coat all of the chickpeas with the seasonings and the sauce. So after it's been sauteing for about 5 minutes, this is what the chickpeas look like. And now I'm going to prepare some avocado toast with the chickpeas. I'm using the Deland Bakery gluten-free vegan bread. It's awesome. It's soy-free, corn syrup-free, dairy-free. It's free, y'all. So I just placed 2 slices of bread in the toaster, and now I am cutting the avocado. So grab another one and let's try again and see if we're lucky this time. Yay! Okay, so now I just take the avocado, scoop it out onto the toasted bread. It's truly up to you if you want to use 1/2 of the avocado for 2 slices of toast, or if you just want to use the whole avocado for the 2 pieces of toast. So now I just take the back of my fork and I spread around and mash down the avocado onto the toast. And this is to help give your chickpeas a solid foundation to lay on. If not, then your chickpeas will just be rolling all off of the bread, and that's definitely not fun. So now you just scoop on some of the chickpeas onto each piece of toast. It's totally optional if you want to add as many chickpeas as I did. I was really hungry, so I made sure that my toast was loaded with chickpeas. But if you like and you just would like to use just a few chickpeas, that's fine too. So I like to get fancy and add a little bit of dry parsley flakes on top. I like my food to look pretty. And there you have it. That is loaded avocado toast with seasoned chickpeas. Okay, so another way that you can use the taco chickpeas is to just pour them into a little bowl and eat them as a snack. They're really tasty. They don't have to be served hot to be good. They actually taste good at room temperature as well. And now I'm preparing my taco salad using those taco chickpeas. So first, I just warm up a little bit of quinoa. I made some red quinoa the night before, so I'm just going to warm that up. And I'm using the 50 to 50 blend of salad mix. It's basically like a spring mix slash lettuce mix. I like this one. I think it's colorful and pretty. So I just place a paper towel on top just to help collect some of the water that was collecting inside of the plastic container. And now I chop some red onion and place that into the salad. I think it adds nice flavor and a nice little spiciness at times. You don't have to add onions if you don't want to, though. This is totally optional. So while I was making my salad, I actually got a request to make a salad for Ricardo. So I'm just making a salad for him at the same time. These salads are really tasty and very filling. This is actually the most filling salad I've ever eaten that didn't contain rice. So once you have the onions in there, you just toss the salad a bit just to get everything mixed in. And then you can add the quinoa. It's optional if you would like to warm your quinoa ahead of time. I like to just because I don't really enjoy eating a very cold salad. It kind of bothers my teeth. But yeah, once you add in the quinoa, just mix everything together and you can proceed with adding some of the chickpeas. So I added about 2.5 to 3 spoonfuls of the chickpeas. I wanted to make sure I had a couple chickpeas within every bite. So now I grab some avocados and I'll cut them into a grid pattern, and this makes it easier to add them to the salad and make sure that they're all pretty much the same size. It is important to have a bite of avocado in every bite of your salad. So once you spoon out the avocado, you just place it in the salad, give it a good toss. And then I added some taco shells. So you just take out the taco shell, warm it up in the microwave for about 10 seconds. You take the taco shell and you can just break it up and put it along the perimeter of the salad. Or you can just crunch it up and put it on top. It's totally up to you how you would like to eat your salad. I almost forgot something. Oh my gosh. So I wanted some cucumbers in my salad and I didn't realize it until the last minute. So I just peeled the cucumber and chopped it up and added it to the salad. And once you're done, you can just pour some taco sauce all over the top of your salad. And there you have it, an awesome, filling, nutritious taco salad. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Hopefully I didn't make you too hungry, but I do hope that I gave you some inspiration and a few ideas as to how you can eat chickpeas. If you have any questions, please put them down in the comment section below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Please give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I totally appreciate you. Bye.